Hey, John Crestani here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on SoundCloud. But what you'll want to do if you're following along and you want to follow along and actually put this into action step by step by step, I suggest you go to this URL right here, which is johncrestani.com/resource to follow along the steps, and also make sure to just utterly destroy whatever the subscribe button is so you can get notified of my weekly live Q&A sessions where I go over and help folks make money online. Now, these methods really work, and if you check into my community on YouTube, which you can see after you subscribe, you'll see that almost daily now I get folks messaging me about how they've been able to make money with affiliate marketing doing exactly as I told them to. Marco Buccelli, we just have endless and endless. Here's their first $500 and just lots and lots. I made my first sale. We just have so many testimonials. The stuff I'm talking about works. And if you are looking for a way to make money online that really works, that you can do from a computer, from a phone, from any country in the world, without having to spend any money whatsoever, then you've found it, and I'm going to be going through this. So once again, the resource page is johncrestani.com/resource, and when you go to that link, you'll come to this page, which has all of my free traffic methods right here. Now, the one we're concerned about today is learning about how to make money with SoundCloud. And you will just click this link to go to the SoundCloud section, and it will zoom you down to the steps to make money with SoundCloud. Now, SoundCloud has a lot of users on it. It's a musician-focused community, and I'll be showing you how you can make money following these steps. Just follow along with me, and I'll go through each of these steps with you right here on the computer so that you can start earning money. Now, the first step is you register for Digistore. So click that link and you will be taken over to Digistore, where you will be able to promote my products. Now, you will need to scroll down in order to create a new account. And you will need to fill out your information and your password and your username, and you will need to give them some information because remember, Digistore is the company that will be paying you money for doing the affiliate marketing. And they will pay you either a check, they will send the money directly to your bank account, or they will pay you via PayPal. Whatever you decide on, that's the way they will pay you. But you have to go through the registration process and set everything up. Now, once you are inside Digistore, where you will see how much money you've earned and what have you will be right here, okay? You'll see your earnings show up in the top left corner right there. You'll see the number of clicks, the number of times that people clicked on your link that they provide right there. And you will see the amount of money that you earn on average for every click right here. But we're not concerned with that just yet. We want to go over here to the marketplace right there. And you'll want to click the marketplace icon because we need to get our affiliate link so we can start earning money. Now, you'll see some of the top products. Wesley $1 billion Virgin right here. He's a badass. He's a friend of mine. He's got a top product on there. But what we'll be promoting is my product. So you'll want to type in my name up here. Type in Crestani and then click the magnifying icon right there. Now here you will get a link to my product. Okay, the link to my product is right here. And although Digistore says that you'll earn $2,000, the average amount of money people make from promoting my program is $500. So that is the average amount you will make from promoting my program. So you will copy your link, we'll copy it, copy, and what you want to do is you want to save it somewhere. I like saving things in a notepad. I'm old school, right? I'm 32 years old. I'm an old guy in this business. And well, at least I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time. And then we'll go back to the resource file. And you'll see now we've done step 3. The next step is to do step 4. And we're going to do what's creating a pre-sale page. We're going to create your own free website that won't be banned or blocked from any social network by clicking this link. So when we click this link, you'll get a website, which is a document basically, and this is built to sell. Now what you want to do is you want to go up to this area that says File right here, right up in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll want to copy this to make it your own. So you click Make a Copy, and then you just click OK. Now the next step is you want to click on this link down here and scroll down just a little bit right here, and you'll click on the edit icon. Okay, right there. And when you click the edit icon, you will delete whatever is currently in there and you will replace it with what your affiliate link is. So we'll click copy, paste, apply. Now the next step is you want to go up to the upper right-hand corner now where it says share. You will click it twice, and then you want to select anyone with the link right there. Well, you want to copy the link first, okay? So you click this button, copy right here, and I would take that and I'd paste it in your handy dandy notepad again. Here's the link. And then we will click done. Great. One pro tip is if you'd like a shorter link, you can use bit.ly. So let's go ahead and I'll show you that right now. So bit.ly is a link shortener. And what we would do is we'd post our link in here. We'd click, as you see, this is our Google document, our website basically that we just created. And then you will click shorten. And then you can highlight this link, or you could just click copy and you can copy your new link, which is a bit shorter and looks a little bit prettier. So this is what you end up with, and this is what you will send people to. Now we're already on step number 13, which is where we will sign up for SoundCloud.com. First off, congratulate yourself if you've been taking action. You are one of the 1% of folks that actually take action and do anything. 99% of folks will not do anything from watching this video, and I have statistics to prove it. It's quite interesting. So register for SoundCloud, SoundCloud.com. You can click the link there. You can go to SoundCloud.com. It's a great music site. I actually really like SoundCloud. And then you will register. You'll go through the registration process. I'm not going to log out. Basically, it looks like this after you sign up. And then what you'll do is you'll find a musician you like, and you'll open up some of the followers, and you will message them. So let's do that right now. So let's say I like, what's a good artist I like? Galantis. Oh, Galantis is so cool. Okay, so let's take Galantis for a second, and we will click on their profile. And what we're interested in, though, is right over here. We're interested in seeing their followers, okay? Because this is, again, if you don't have the benefit of having money to spend on ads, and you don't have the talking skills to go out on the street and start doing sales, then really you have to get in contact with some people to sell them stuff. So you have to message them. And that's what we do. So we can open up a bunch of people right here. They have a bunch of fans. They have 400,000 fans. So let's just open up a bunch of profiles. Let's open up Jasmine. Let's open up, who else should we open up? This girl, and this girl. Okay, great. So now we're going to message these folks. So in order to message these folks, you're going to go all the way over here to this little icon right here, where the message icon. This is how you can get in contact with people. Okay? We can send this person a message, and we can write them a message. So what do we write? Now, if you're promoting my program, I give you the messages to write. If you're promoting other folks' programs, you'll have to figure out your own message to write. So let's use this message right here. Let's use this message. This is a great message. We're going to copy this message right here and post it onto Despa Music. Okay, so fellow fan of musician, this might help you out, link. Please don't share. So what we'll do here is we need to replace the text here. So we'll say Galantis. This might help you out, and we have to replace our link in there. So we'll get our link, we'll copy this, and we will place it right there. And I'm just going to copy this whole message. And just to give you an idea of what happens when these messages get sent is people will go to your link, and then they will go to the, well, I'll show you it later on. So here's another person, Edwin Diaz. And one pro tip is you want to focus on people who are from countries that have a lot of money. So I don't know where Edwin's from, but boom, send. And our message to Edwin Diaz was sent successfully. And then you just repeat this over and over and over again, okay? And maybe you'll even form a nice relationship out of it. Now, in this case, I recommend that if they do message you back with any questions, you respond to them and you tell them why, why they should purchase the training program and watch the training, okay? And once again, we sent another message. This is a great way to meet new people. It's a great way to sell things, and it's very easy, and it's completely free, and you can do this anywhere you are in the world, no matter what age you are, no matter what device you're using, you can do this. Now, when you go to your short link, what you do is it'll go to your document, and people will come to this document, and they'll read this, and they'll be thrilled. And when they click on this link, they will go into the funnel. And when they purchase the product that is sold at the end of the free training, which is actually very useful, teaches a lot about affiliate marketing, you will get $500. Okay? So that's how the whole process works. You can go through the entire funnel if you'd like to educate yourself on things. But let me go over the math so that you understand what's going on with the numbers. So what I suggest you do is send 25 messages a day. Even I do this. I send 25 messages a day to folks, but I do it for different purposes. I'm looking to hire people, or I'm looking for business partners for certain projects. I'm looking for vendors. I do it for various other reasons at this point. You'll want to do this 5 days a week, and that'll be about 125 messages a week. Roughly 1% of people end up purchasing. So that means from 125 messages, you can get one sale. And for each sale, you earn $500 per sale, which equates to $500 in extra income a week. Now, all of this takes the amount of time, if you're wondering, it takes to send messages. Well, you just saw it takes, once you've done the setup, it takes very little time to send these messages. I won't just send a link, but you get the idea. It takes a very short amount of time to send a message once you've gone through with it. It just takes a second, and you can open up a bunch of profiles of people very quickly and send your 25, even 100 messages a day. This is a really underground technique right now, and I suggest you really hop on this right away until, it'll probably be about a month until they maybe stop allowing this. Who knows? Who knows how long it will take? But the faster you take action, the more fruits you will get. I see a lot of people, they've seen my videos and they don't take action, and then they can't use the method because it's been too much longer later. I hope you like this video. Once again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want more help, then make sure you enable the notifications, because I do weekly live streams, as I said, where I do question and answer sessions on my channel. Also, I suggest you go into the links in the description and you join our forums on Discord. We have forums on affiliate marketing, on making money with e-commerce, on how to make money online with Amazon, on how to make money with apps. So there are a lot of different ways that you can make money online, and we talk about them in the forums. Again, the whole point of building a community here is to help everybody make money online. So I hope this was helpful, and we're going to cut into, going to cut out. See you, man. Bye.